What's good, guys? How you guys doing today? I hope everybody's healthy. I hope everybody's doing great. It's your boy, you heard? If you from New York, let me get an ear. You already know. Ear. It's lit. It's your boy Ear on the go. You already know. Back with a new video. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. I hope everybody's lit. You know what I'm saying? It's a great day. The weekend was lit. You know what I'm saying? Saturday was crazy. You know what I'm saying? This drop was crazy. Mega limited. You see the title. It is bow. Boom. Yeah, guys, it's the Tokyo 5s yellow. So the Tokyo, a little bit about the Tokyo. It came out back in 2011. You know, it was mega limited around that time. You know, Tokyo 11s. Everybody loved Jordan 5s. You know what I'm saying? Everybody do. Let me know if you love Jordan 5s. Let me know in the comments if you do. But me, I like Jordan 5s. You know what I'm saying? And boom. Whoa. Nah. Whoa. It smelled really good, guys. Yo, hold on. Oh, and I copped it from Dover over. Oh, stick to this? What the hell? Yo, it deadass stick to the sneaker like deadass. That's crazy. The receipt stick to the sneaker. Okay. So, here it is. The Jordan 5 Tokyo. It took a while since 2011. Now it's 2025. And these are different from the first ones. Oh, it's lit. I got my new sneaker. I got my Jordan 5. I'm lit. Hey, I'm lit. It's lit. Ooh. Let me know, did you grab a pair? Me, I grabbed a pair in store, of course, because sneakers was mega limited. I didn't hit, you know what's so crazy? I hit on sneakers, but my card, something was wrong or something like that. So it got declined. I didn't get it on sneakers. I could have had these sneakers, bro. But it's all good. I have it in hand. And the detail's so amazing. So check it out. The suede on this, it feels so great. You know, the suede, look at the suede, look at the toe. Look at the toe bottom. Oh my God, the suede feels so amazing, guys. Look at this. And then I love this fact right here, the details. What's this? Yeah, I love that print right here. Then you got the Jordan right here. You see the Jordan, guys? Yeah, nice suede. Look at this. Look at that. Really nice for the cushion when your feet is in and then you're walking around. You know, it gives it that comfortability. Then with the shoelace being all black and stuff, and then it got another white shoelace to come with it. Really cool. What can I say? And then it got the reflector top Jordan tongue right here, and this is 11.5. You know, you can wear this every day. Yellow, you know what I'm saying? Let me know your thoughts. What would you rate it? Out of 1 out of 10, what would you give this? Me, I would give this shoe a smells so good. I will give this a shoe. I would give this like a 9 out of 10, honestly. It's truly fire for a Jordan 5s. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong. The details is amazing. I mean, let me know, guys. Have you ever got your pair of Jordan 5? Have you ever got these back in the day? 2011. You know what I'm saying? 2011 was epic for sneakers, you know. And sneakers around that time was cheaper. Now this is like $230 after tax, $238. You know what I'm saying? $234 to be exact. $234 after tax. These sneakers back in the day was cheap, $160 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So it's so interesting how Nike retro the sneakers again and again after time. But people never tired of it because, you know, people want retros. You know what I'm saying? Like each generation want to experience that Chicago Jordan 1, or they want to experience that, you know, foam posit era, you know what I'm saying? So this is a Jordan 5. This is cool. I guess. Yeah, guys. So the details are amazing. Look at the details. I love that suede. Look at that. You see the suede on it? Wow. And the stitching. This is how you know a sneaker is real. You always got to look at the stitching, you know. Look at that stitching. You see that, guys? That's how you... This is the perfect indicator to tell if a sneaker is real or fake. You always look at the stitching. The stitching on Nike products is always pristine. You know what I'm saying? It's always stitched in. You can kind of see, you know. So make sure you take a look at your Jordan 5s or any sneaker, really. You see? Nike products, always perfect. And then it got that yellow, you know. I love this detail right here. Oh, yeah. It feels great. And I love the air. I love the fact that it got this. So when you're walking around, you know, your feet can breathe. You know, it got that cushion. And I love the air bubble, of course. You know, you got to love that. And then the Jumpman. And, yeah, this is an amazing shoe. I think that, you know, a lot of people, they've been going crazy for the shoe. I think that, you know... It's been a while since Nike made a Jordan 5, like a retro, you know what I'm saying? Like a yellow sneaker that that people really love. Like Tokyo 5s, people really love this silhouette. I'm telling you, people go crazy. You know what I'm saying? But let me know your thoughts. Would you wear it? Would you throw it? What would you do with these? Me, I'm going to throw it. Like I told you, I'm going to throw it like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to throw it like that. And yeah. You know, sell it. I'm going to sell it. But I do like it. I love the Jordan logo under the bottom. I love the icy blue under the bottom. I love the yellow. It just pops. You know, not a lot of yellow sneaker do it well. And it's yellow with black, a little hint of black. You got the black down the bottom. Then you got the black right here. Then you see this part. This is dope. This is dope. The contrast is dope. You got the yellow. Look at that. That's fire right here too. That's fire with the yellow. You see that detail? That's tough. Then black, yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Who remember that Wiz song? Black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, that's fire. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Black and yellow all day. Jordan 5, Tokyo. You already know. You already know. It's lit. I'm lit. Turn up. Grab your fit. Grab your kicks. Time to spin out the crib. Hey, let me know if I could be a rapper down in the comments. Let me know. But yeah, guys, it's amazing. I hope you had, you know, let me know if you cop or drop. Let me know if you did. See why people would like it. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts on these. It is amazing. Jordan 5, retro, Tokyo. Let me know, did you cop a pair? What you gonna do with it? Me, I'ma sell it. I'ma throw it. I'ma bow. I'ma boom. I'ma boom. Boom, boom, I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna throw it like a football. It's out of here. This, out of here. You know what I'm saying? You see this? Look at this. Out of here. Throwing it out of here. But yeah, guys, you let me know. It's fire. Let me know. You know what? I need some water right now. For real. I need some water. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you love videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. And I will be doing a huge giveaway, okay? Huge giveaway. Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Put a fire emoji that you subscribe. Put a fire emoji right now. If you subscribe just now, put a fire emoji. And you know what I'm saying? Let me know. Put your, where you from, by the way? I'm from New York. Put your location down. I want to know, guys. I want to know my favorite YouTubers. Shout out to you guys. Thank you. You know, I love what I do. I do this full time. And I'll see you next time. Later. Bang.